Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can check unknown caller on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, go to settings, then from this section scroll down and tap on app, search phone, tap on phone, and then scroll, and then you will be here in this section of, then you can turn, if you have turned on the silence unknown callers and the unknown callers, both of them. Once you have done that, what you need to do is you will simply be able to go to the unknown caller list, where you will be able to check out their name, and you can also go to the third-party apps as well, those apps also allows you to show their real names that they are registered, their number is registered with. But if you are using your built-in settings from your iPhone, what you can do is you can simply go ahead, turn this two settings on, and when you get a call from unknown callers, you will go to the unknown callers list and you can check out the details. Now the third party caller would be Truecaller as well. Once you have downloaded that particular app, then they will simply show you the real caller ID of that person that is calling you. That's what you can do. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.